Introducing the 2025 Lexus LX 700h Ultra Luxury. Lexus's flagship SUV with a $141,000 price tag. A massive presence on the road, built to turn heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, a hybrid twin-turbo V6 pushing 457 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds, full-time 4WD, and up to 8,000 pounds of towing muscle. Inside, a 4-seat lounge with massaging chairs, rear screens, and a 25-speaker Mark Levinson system. Recline, relax, and control everything with your personal tablet. True ultra-luxury treatment. But here's the shocker. All this starts at over $141,000. The 2025 Lexus LX 700h Ultra Luxury? Flagship indulgence or overpriced gamble? You decide.